Hi students, welcome to all of you. In this video we are going to see a very short poem, very simple poem, which is very important also there, and shortest one to be understood very easily. So this poem name is Fog, composed by Ogden Nash. Already we have seen one poem about of Ogden Nash, and this poem is talking very important one topic. What is the fog? This fog is specially related with the environment and how the environment is very important for us, and how can we save our environment, like, because nowadays we are suffering, everybody is suffering with the pollution. And what is the effect of the pollution on the environment, on the all the animals, on the human beings, and each and every part of the on the earth is affecting with the pollution. And this pollution we have to reduce. What are the effects on this? See the first line. Actually this poem contain only one stanza, and therefore no more stanzas are there, so I made only one stanza on this, taken for this. The fog comes early in the morning. We had the idea that fog comes, and on little cat feet. Fog, how the fog is coming very slowly. It is not coming directly like a the just like a cyclone, and the rain, roaring storm, they are coming with a sound, with a particular criteria. But fog early in the morning comes very silently, without any notice to anyone, without any indication of the environment. It's come very early in the morning, like a little cat, very cat feet. We know that cat is very special animal for the silence. Silently, whenever silently it is drinking the milk also in the house, and we don't know about, we can't we don't come to know about the milk also. So he is just comparing here the fog with the cat. There is one metaphor and transfer effected. Two types of figure of speech are used in these two lines. You have to understand, because here the comparison between the similarity between the cat and the fog. And the second example is the quality of the living thing is given to the non-living, or that we can say personification, but it's like a transfer effected, because here a personification is also there, and the qualities of the cat is given to the fog. These lines are very easy to understand, therefore you can take them as examples in the figure of speech also. It seats looking, just sit early in the morning to looking at the people. It is just waiting for all the people to wake up. And over harbor and the city, it is seat looking when you can look at the fog sitting on the harbor city, or on the harbor and the city, that on the highest place you can, on the high place you can see the fog in the city, and you can experience about it, how it is very field in this. Especially this is showing the beauty of the nature also. On silent people, silent, uh, your body making the silent, relaxing. With a relaxed mind you can see this fog, how it is completely overturned in the city, and then moves on. And suddenly, that early in the morning it is coming uh, like a little cat. It is come like a cat, and you can look there in early in the morning. And suddenly, when you are looking, when the people wake up, it is move away very silently, without any making the harmless to the anyone, or to making any type of destruction. It moves away. This is a very simple one. Fog comes and move. This silent, which is a very beautiful one thing of the nature. In the morning we can see. So that is described by the poet in these lines. Very simplest and very short poem. I hope you understand it, and you can give the answer of these questions. What does Sandberg think the fog is like? What do you think the Sandberg? Sorry, the poet is the Sandberg. Think about the fog likes. I forgot to write down the name of this. How does the fog come? How fog come? Very silently comes and very silently moves away. What does it in the third line refer to? Third line is referring which line? What is the third line? Come that we can see it is the third line. It's seat looking. It's seats looking. That is look like a seat which is sitting into the place like this. It is look that you can write. And the fourth question is that what does the poet actually say that the fog is like a cat? He wants to say that like a cat? No, it is just giving the significance of the cat. It is giving just the quality of the cat to the fog as a silent one. Find three things that tells us that the fog is like a cat. Silently comes, silently moves away, and silently is haunches. These three things you can write. And there is, I hope you understand the poem. So bye bye, take care all of you.